Mother Goose is pushing the hammock while the sloth has a heart attack. She then dips her feet in the water. Bob the Builder's holding the baby lion, and it's time for me to try fishing one last time. The weather's kind of cloudy. I see one of those planes that lands on the water, and it's time to waste a lot of time. And sure enough, 20 minutes later, I catch my first fish, and boy was I happy. Like, all that wait was for this moment. For a split second, we want to keep the fish, but of course we let the little guy go. Then we caught another fish. Kobe said hi to it. Bob the Builder showed it to the camera and then let it go in the water. Again, there's a squirrel on our bird feeder. The trees are moving insane. It feels like a huge storm is coming our way, so we put the barbecue cover on. The baby lion looks a little concerned. The sloth tries to comfort him, and yes, you guessed it, we watched another Disney movie. Bob the Builder fixes the sink. The sunset is absolutely gorgeous, and I spotted Mother Goose swimming with her little babies. Kobe takes a power nap on a cushion. The sloth gets bored, so she puts on one of her favorite shows, SpongeBob, and now it's time for us to pack our bags. We spent almost an hour looking for all of Kobe's toys. It's raining outside now, but we head to the Magic School Bus for the journey we're about to face. I definitely overpacked for this trip. Bob the Builder's staying an extra few nights, so he says goodbye to the baby lion, and we're about to face a storm on our way home.